Hello guys, welcome back. Today we have one issue to solve. These lamps, ceiling lamps, were made for the customers about half a year ago, and the covers from acrylic were starting to falling down. The joint between acrylic and veneer is made with a neutral silicone, and it seems that this is not good or the best solution. So let's find the better solution. Let's go to work. This is how it looks like. Going off. Still sticking a little bit, but it's not sufficient. So I will take this down because I'm gonna use the acrylic afterwards for the improved concept. So now the covers are taken away. Now I just need to remove. First I'm gonna remove it manually. Now I need to sand this somehow away, not to destroy this thin part. I need to come so close that I just touch a little bit here, and that I have supporting points over here. So I will just roll like this and hopefully sand this layer of veneer away. Now we need to clean the rest of the burrs and the silicone here to get the clean frame for repairing. So the frames are now clean and ready for the next step. This is a veneer that I will use. Oak veneer, 0.6 millimeter thickness. And now I need to mark the length all around. And cut it. Now we need to glue it. So I will make fixation on the one edge first with the 2-component glue. This will be 10 seconds and it will be hardened. And then I will use the glue for the wood to add it all around here on the upper side on the bottom side and just go around with the veneer. The veneer is a little bit rough, so I will sand it just a little bit to get a smoother surface. Now I will make a gluing on one side with the 2-component glue to make a quick fixation, and afterwards I will add a wooden glue all around and just roll it in and then close it with this and with a clamp. Okay. I will add here to have a right angle to the bottom so that this will not twist when I will turn around. So I hope this will work. Component number 1 and component number 2 into quick fixation. And it smells awful. Phew. I would need to wear a mask. Let's see. Yep, worked well. The veneer is very thin, so we need to be careful, because here you could damage it easily. Okay. Now let's roll up. Easy, okay, not too much. Let's go down. So this glue has 8 to 10 minutes of open time. So there's no big rush needed, but anyway. Now I just need to spread the glue here at the end. Okay. And let's finish. Put this on and clamp it. So one from the top and one from the bottom. Okay, I need to move it a little bit closer. Now let's wait. And now the big one. Okay, so the glue is now dry, and I need to place now the cover inside, and now I need to prevent that it will fall out. I decided that I will use self-adhesive cork. This is 5 centimeters width, and I will make 1 centimeters. First I need to make the rounding. Now I need to cut on smaller stripes, so 1 centimeter. This is the 2-component glue, because I don't need a permanent joint but only temporary. So now we have a firm joint. Now we need to measure it from the inside to the final length. But before that, I want to cut at 45 degrees so that the joint will be a little bit nicer. Now the final measurement. Okay. Put the cover inside, and then we just put on our cork. I think it's really nice. And the next step is to remove the veneer above the cork. So I will use an Olfa knife and just cut it inside. But carefully, because it can damage very quickly. If there is some better way of cutting veneer, please let me know. And now I will manually sand just to get cork and the veneer on the same level. And it's finished. I think it looks great. And now I will sand also this edge with 180 sandpaper to get even smoother surface here. The grain is going in this direction, not in this one. You can feel that when the sponge is actually sticking on the veneer. And in this direction, it's much more easier. And wipe it off with the cloth. And the lamp is finished.